Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
And is the presentation visible
Yep.
to everyone?
Looks
Perfect.
all good.
Hello, we are Theseus Packaging. The Theseus team consists of Karay, me, Arjun, Selena, Jay, and Kylie.
Starting off with our problem space. So our production goal as a group of hydrophobic cardboard was to try to solve the issue of packaging being non-waterproof, which can lead to inside damage. So first of all, cardboard becomes very brittle when water weakens its paper fibers, which makes it less valuable to keep for future use. Secondly, the absorption of water can also lead to mold, a contaminant which lessens the cardboard's recyclability. And lastly, because of package susceptibility to water damage, more non-biodegradable plastic is also needed to protect the items inside, which can harm the environment. So next, according to Forbes Business, Amazon alone ships 2.5 billion packages a year, and this large packaging industry is still in need of more cost-effective eco-packaging. As a reference, Revolve, a California clothing retailer, reported having to spend an annual $530 million on customer product returns, much of which came back for water damage. So this kind of puts into perspective how much is potentially lost for companies as a whole. Also, an excessive usage of plastic for protection poses a threat to the environment as its decomposition takes thousands of years, and some become microplastics which induce poisoning onto marine species and its consumers. And if this issue furthers, 215 million metric tons of plastic are projected to accumulate in landfills by 2025, according to Environmental Health News. So therefore, based on these analyzed impacts, we concluded that there is a standing need for cardboard preservation that supports the needs of hydrophobicity and biodegradability.
All right, let's dive into talking about our product, which is the Theseus box. We take ordinary cardboard boxes and change the manufacturing process to let them include a super hydrophobic nano rough wax coating. This means the box is naturally more durable because it is resistant against any rain or snow damaging it. Also, it reduces any need of plastic wrappings that aim to keep the package waterproof. One of the benefits of our product is that it is all biodegradable, meaning the entire box can be put in compost. So the process of creating this nano and micro-textured super hydrophobic wax coat is using AKD wax. AKD stands for alkyl ketene dimer. The reason why we use this is because it is biodegradable, unlike other hydrophobic substances such as silica or Teflon, which are used by our competitors. Basically, the first step is to melt this wax. The second step is to dip the outside of the cardboard box into it. Third, you let the wax cool and harden. And last, you treat the outside with ethanol to create the nano and micro scale ridges shown in the figure. The red lines show the nano and micro scale entangled structure. And this results in a super hydrophobic contact angle of more than 150 degrees.
Moving on to market analysis. So our Theseus box provides a variety of advantages other traditional packaging solutions lack. So first of all, our boxes are easy and cheap to produce while also possessing a valuable hydrophobic effect to it. In addition, since our product is already made to be hydrophobic, there is no need to include plastic wrappings into the packaging process, which lets our product actively reduce plastic use. Furthermore, our Theseus box actually addresses a crucial business issue, which is time. So usually Amazon delivery personnel or from any other delivery business may need to account for weather damage of the package when leaving it for their customers. So they would spend more time looking for a secure place to put the package. This, however, takes more time, and as we all know, time is money. However, our product provides a solution to this by letting the personnel skip this step. And so as a result, they would waste less time in placing the package and also deliver more packages, which means more money to these businesses. Lastly, because we are introducing a innovative product into a lucrative $900 billion packaging industry, according to McKinsey and Company, we will be able to secure ourselves in this huge market and thus earn a lot of money. As for our future directions, we intend to establish a foothold in the paper milling industry by hopefully creating a preprint and postprint treatment process for printing paper to make them hydrophobic. And back to our cardboard operations, we also see a potential in our Theseus boxes as an eco-friendly plastic storage alternative. And so as a result, actually, ultimately, we will be able to secure our place in multiple different markets. And so that also avoids our company's financial collapse if one of these endeavors fails.
So next is our company timeline and implementation. Here is our business plan for the next 3 years. The first year is mainly about marketing our product and starting production. In the next 2 years, we will do more marketing on our products and expand our company. In these 3 years, about $4 million will be required for our businesses. And next is the profit. Here is the sold price and the cost of our boxes. And most of our revenue from the first 4 years will go into the expansion and repaying our investors, so we won't have a profit till the 5th year of our operation. And to protect our intellectual property, we will apply for both domestic and international patent.
In Greek mythology, Theseus went to the island of Crete in the hopes of facing the Minotaur. He slayed the beast and emerged a hero. Today, we face a different enemy: plastic. Deliveries are the blood of modern life. They course through the world's veins, taking products where they need to be. Amazon alone delivers 6.8 million packages every day. And it's easy to just brush that off as a large number, so let me give you some context. The average human breathes 20,000 times a day. That means, on average, every time you breathe, 340 packages are delivered. How many of these packages are ruined because of the lack of water protection in cardboard? Theseus aims to make every package better, but we can't do that without investment. We need you to empower us to make deliveries better for consumers, for businesses, for the earth. Join Theseus. Help us reinvent cardboard.